Hi there, this is Ching Kitaan, also known as Mr. Ching Positive. I'm pretty excited with this session about the belief system of Warren Buffett. Ano po yung belief system that made him very super wealthy and rich? Kung gusto nyo malaman, stay tuned. But before we talk about that, please do subscribe at my YouTube channel. And then don't forget to click the bell button para ma-notify po kayo pag may bago tayong mga videos. Number 2 po. Number 2, please also follow me at my Facebook page at share nyo rin po sa other people para sila po ay matuto. So let's get right into it. Let's talk about the 3 excellent money belief system of Warren Buffett that made him very wealthy and rich. Let's talk about number 1 on earning, kung paano kumita. On earning, he said, he made a quote, never depend on a single income. Make investment to create a second one. Interesting. Alam mo, that's what I've learned. Ever since, actually, hindi ko pa siya na-follow, hindi ko pa siya nababasa, nagagawa ko na siya. Ako naniniwala po ako na hindi lang talagang pwedeng iisa lang ang source ng income mo. Kung isa lang talaga ang source of income mo, chances are talaga, mahirapan ka. Sa panahon ngayon, totoo lang, okay, eye to eye, heart to heart tayo mag-usap, sa taas ng bilihin, sa dami ng gastusin, yung anak mo mag-eskwela, yung anak mo maraming mga assignment, yung anak mo maraming requirement, not only that, kung may nagkasakit sa pamilya, may mga emergency sa mga magulang. In other words, ang expenses po natin ay lumalaki. Marami tayong mga unforeseen expenses, hindi dahil sa luho, because of what we call as emergencies. Pero, ito naman, ang reality, ang income naman natin hindi lumalaki. Hindi naman tayo pwedeng humingi ng raise. That's the reason why times nowadays, nagbago na po, it has already changed. Kung iisa lang ang source of income mo, sa totoo lang, kakapusin ka talaga at mapipilitan ka talaga mangutang. That's the reason why it's very wise of Warren Buffett to really teach and share with people, never depend on a single income. You make an investment to create a second income. So, I would highly recommend, if you are right now working, keep your job, don't resign. Look for another opportunity that you can earn a second income. Let's talk about on spending. Anong belief system naman ni Warren Buffett when it comes to spending? If you buy things daw, you should buy things that you really need, okay? Do not buy the things that you don't need. And you sell the things that you actually don't need. Kasi marami tayong mga bagay, totoo yun ha, marami tayong mga bagay na binibili na hindi naman na talaga natin kailangan. Gusto lang natin pero hindi natin kailangan. Come on, talk to me, women. Kung ikaw babae ka at nanonood ka ngayon, you would understand. No offense meant, I don't want to offend you. Ask yourself, ilang pares ang iyong paa? Ilang pares? One pair, 2 paa, kanan at kaliwa. Pero tanongin mo sarili mo, ilang sapatos meron ka? Ilang sapatos ang meron ka? Di ba? More than 10. Ano ka, pugita? Ang dami mong mga paa? The reason why, yun nga, ang hilig natin mag-shop, ang hilig natin bumili. But in reality, once you shop and buy, when you go back to your closet, ang dami mong mga damit dyan, ang dami mga belts, ang dami mga pantalon na hindi mo naman actually nagagamit. So it's more of spending. It's having the consumerism mentality. But in reality, it's not practicality. We are spending more than we are actually making. Yun po yung nangyayari. Yan yung sinasabi ni Warren Buffett. That's the reason why some people cannot become rich because they have a consumerism mentality. The third, in terms of on savings, do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. Oo, di ba? Ang galing! Ika nga, huwag ka muna gumastos, tapos kung ano matira, iipunin mo. Dapat mag-ipon ka muna, di ba? Mag-manage ka muna, mag-save ka muna. Kung anong matira, doon ka gumastos. You do not ask your income to adjust to your lifestyle. You ask your lifestyle to adjust to your what? Income. I really totally agree with this concept. As a matter of fact, even before I met Warren Buffett, that's already the mentality and the belief system that my parents has already instilled to me. It's income minus savings equivalent to what? Expense. Kita, ipon, gastos. Kita, ipon, gastos. Hindi kita, gastos, ipon. So, I firmly believe in that because if you allow income first and then spend first, ay nako, wala talagang matitira. Wala talagang matitira. And then, if you want really to become successful in managing your finance, kailangan, ulitin lang natin Ulitin lang po natin ano yung mga tatlong paniniwala po ni Warren Buffett. Number 1, on earning. We should never only depend on one source of income. We need to have multiple sources of income. Number 2, on spending. Buy the things that you need. You don't buy the things that you don't want. Okay, number 3, on savings naman po. On savings po, do not save what is left after spending, but you spend what is left after saving. So, ang dami ko talagang natutunan kay Warren Buffett at the same time, which I'd like to share with you. But if you want to save pa more in terms of how to earn, how to spend, how to save, di ba? Kung gusto mo pang matutong paano ba talaga mag-ipon? Paano ba talaga mag-budget? Paano ba mag-spend wisely? Meron po akong good news for you. You don't only need to learn from Warren Buffett. That's the reason why I wrote a lot of materials especially for you. Number 1, if you want really to learn how to manage your money, itong tinatawag na Diary of a Pulubi. Diary of a Pulubi, already 500,000 people read this book already. Grabe, ito yung pambansang aklat ng mga taong payaman. Grabe, maraming salamat sa mga taong nakabasa nito. Kasi dito, matutunan nyo yung 22 money lessons on how to avoid becoming what? Broke. O ito na yung shopping now, pulubi later. Magarbong kasal na, pulubi later. Upgrade na, pulubi later. Diba? Sobrang matulungin na, pulubi later. Travel na, pulubi later. Kape-kape na, pulubi later. 22 money mistakes. Second book that you should read is called My Ipon Diary. Teaches you how to make ipon pa more. Maging iponaryo para maging milyonaryo. Ay, ang ganda nito. Meron tayong itong 52-week ipon challenge. At sa likod pa ng libro, tignan nyo to. Tignan nyo. Meron pa siyang sticker. May sticker na po siya. On saving for. So, we will help you on how to save money by reading this book if you really want to learn how to save. And then number 3, the latest book that I wrote, it's called My Budget Diary, teaching you how to budget, how to manage your finance. Maging budgetarian naman para yumaman. Nandito rin po yung tinatawag na 30-day budgetarian challenge kung paano pa talaga tayo makakapag-budget at makapag-ipon. So you can avail of my 3 books. These 3 books at National Bookstore or online cost around 150. Your investment is 150 each. That's a total of 450 plus a shipping fee of 100 pesos. Okay, 100 pesos, more or less 250 each. Pero itong good news ko po sa inyo. If you order these 3 books right now, these 3 books, I will just offer it only at 150. That's a total of 450. Not only that, I will only give you 3 books. I will give you another set of what? Another 3 books. So, once you order 3, ang mangyayari, you will get 6 books po. So, in other words, buy 3 books, you get 3 more books for free. Buy 1 set, you get 1 more set for free. The reason why I want to do that, because I want you to share this also with your relatives, with your friends, para matuto rin sila mag-budget, paano sila mag-ipon, at the same time, paano sila makalabas sa pag-mismanage na kanilang pera. So if you want to order these 3 books, and then you want to share it with your friends, or you can resell the other books also, all you need to do is just type the word called Trio. T-R-I-O. Trio. Once you type the word called Trio, I will send you a link where you can order these 3 books and we can send it to you, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. For Team Abroad, all you need to do is just go to chinkitan.com, and go to shop for Team Abroad, and you can download this via ebook. Ebook po, may ebook na rin po nitong 3 libro na ito. So thank you very much for tuning in. I hope that you have learned from the money beliefs of Warren Buffett that made him become rich and wealthy.